Hi! In front of me is HAFURY GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can add passwords to Google Password Manager. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away to access Google section. If you have more than one Google account added, click on it to set up the preferable one. Then select Autofill under Ads. Now click on Autofill with Google and Passwords. If you don't have any options visible over here, that means that you never saved a password before. In order to fix it, click on this gear at the top right corner and make sure that Offer to Save Password option is on. Then tap on Home button and try to log in to one of your apps. I will go with Facebook. If you see this kind of pop-up, you need to tap on Save and then go back to your Google settings. As you can see, after that, my Facebook password was successfully saved, which enables me to add another one from settings. If you want to do that, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords. Over here, enter your site data or click on Select App and tap on the preferable one. And enter all of those needed informations, like username or email and password. You can even take some notes. When you finished, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that and try to access Instagram app, I can see that my password was successfully saved. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!